Hello, good morning friends. Welcome to my channel Trade with Heyman. Today's date is 16th April 2025 and the time is 9:32. So Nifty is trading at 23,331 and you can see here I have not placed any orders. Now I am going to place orders. So I am going for next week expiry and I am going to take 23,500 call and 23,200 put. I am going to keep hedge also. Profit 2,000 rupees and stop loss I am going to keep 2,000 rupees. So you can see here in the net quantity you can see negative quantity 75, that is the sell orders, and positive is buy orders. So I have sold 23,200 put at a rate of 126.75 and I have sold 23,500 call at a rate of 120.70 paise, and I have kept 24,100 call and 22,350 put for hedging purpose. Now you can see the net P&L is running over here at 160 rupees loss. ಈಗ ಟೈಮು 9:57 ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 200 rupees. Now the time is around 1:23. Net P&L is in loss of 1,400. I have exited 23,500 call and roll over it to 23,400 call. Now I have open position of 23,400 call and 23,200 put. For hedging purpose 24,050 call and 22,350 put I have purchased. Now the time is 2:02. Market took sharp U-turn, is going, market is bullish. You can see here Nifty gave a very sharp move from 23,300 to 23,400 within 10 minutes of time. I have increased my stop loss to 3,000 rupees which is hit. Now you can see all my positions are being squared off, and today's net loss is 3026 rupees. We need to keep strict stop loss. Earlier my stop loss was only 2000 rupees. As market moved up, I changed my stop loss from 2000 rupees to 3000 rupees, but still the stop loss is been hit. That's it for today, friends. I'm closing my trades for today. Thank you for watching the video.